This boy wanted to see how well his dogs could adapt to water. In the first stage without water, the puppies walked around calmly and looked around curiously. Then in the second stage, the water just touched their paws and they became so excited as if they were at a pool party. In the third stage, the water reached their noses, which made even the little corgi panic because he couldn't reach the bottom, while the husky felt like he needed even more water. But in the final stage, the husky jumped right in and started swimming like a pro, while the corgi had to use all his energy just to paddle. And if you find them cute, leave a like.